In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn profile. After creating your LinkedIn account, maybe you made a series of mistakes and you want to update your record. Since you have realized it's a professional platform and you want to make things right. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to update your current LinkedIn profile. It's pretty simple and easy. On your LinkedIn home feed, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then proceed to click on View Profile. So this is the current information you have on your profile, and anytime someone visits your profile, this is what the person sees. In order for us to change our profile info, all we have to do is to proceed to click on this icon. So we have the option to edit our basic info, which is our first name and the last name. When we scroll down a little, we can edit the headlines, we can change our positions and industry, and even we can change our educational background and the location. We can basically change everything that we need to do in our profile on this interface. After you are done with filling out the necessary info that you want to provide, you can then proceed to click on Save. So you have successfully saved your current profile info. So anytime someone visits your LinkedIn profile, this is the current updated info the person will see. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.